video, I'm going to be showing you all how to do Cameroonian Eru, a very simple and quick recipe. Keep watching and let's dive right into the video. Okay guys, so we'll be needing crayfish, goat meat. Guys, I'm using goat meat for this recipe, so you can use any beef of your choice. Pepper, salt, maggi, dry fish. Guys, we call this in Cameroon bonga. Cowskin, we call it in Cameroon canda. Nigerians call it pomo. Eru, spinach, fufu. Guys, we'll be having this eru with water fufu. What is eru without water fufu or gari? Palm oil. Some people use vegetable oil, so I'm using palm oil. Guinea fresh. This is one of my favorite oils that I use here in Germany. Okay guys, so these are all our ingredients, so let's start cooking. Okay guys, after washing your goat meat, you add it to the pot, or your beef stock, you add it. You add your dry fish. Guys, I'm not fixing this, I just added it like this to my pot. You add your cube of maggi. I added 2 cubes. You add a pinch of salt. Yes. Add your pepper. Cover and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Then you can add water. So it's 5 minutes and this is how our meat is looking like, guys. Look at the meat stock that is coming out from it. Guys, I'm just going to actually using 3 sachets of this spinach. You just go ahead and add your oil immediately. You don't leave the eru and the spinach to cook for long. You just add your oil immediately. After adding your oil, you go ahead and mix. Guys, I added 3 maggi, some salt, and I went ahead and mixed everything together. Okay guys, our spinach green eru is ready. I will just go ahead and turn off the heat.